Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up for Wayfair affiliate program. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Signing up for the Wayfair affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Wayfair products. To do it, first head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Wayfair affiliate program, and once the result loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is Wayfair affiliate program. Now once you are inside here, you will be redirected to CJ affiliate program where Wayfair manages its program. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on apply now. Here fill in the details like name and email, website or social media details, payment and tax information. Then once your CJ account is approved, search for Wayfair under advertisers, then click apply and wait for approval. That usually takes a few days, and once accepted, you'll get unique affiliate links to share on your blog, website or social media, and from it you can earn a commission on every qualifying sale. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.